Put on. Put on का मतलब होता है पहनना. Put on पहनना. Put on your glasses. Put on your glasses. अपना चश्मा पहनो. Put on your shirt. Put on your shirt. अपनी शर्ट पहनो. Put on your clothes. Put on your clothes. अपने कपड़े पहनो. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. अपने जूते पहनो. Take off. Take off का मतलब होता है उतारना. Take off उतारना. Don't take off your shoes. Don't take off your shoes. अपने जूते मत उतारो. Take off your glasses. Take off your glasses. अपना चश्मा उतारो. Take off your shoes. Take off your shoes. अपने जूते उतारो. Gamble. Gamble का मतलब होता है जुआ खेलना. Gamble जुआ खेलना. I don't gamble. I don't gamble. मैं जुआ नहीं खेलता. Stop gambling. Stop gambling. जुआ खेलना बंद करो. Don't gamble. Don't gamble. जुआ मत खेलो. Why do you gamble? Why do you gamble? तुम जुआ क्यों खेलते हो? Well. Well का मतलब होता है अच्छा. You played well. You played well. तुमने अच्छा खेला. I can sing well. I can sing well. मैं अच्छा गा सकता हूँ. At what time? At what time? कितने बजे? At what time do you sleep? At what time do you sleep? तुम कितने बजे सोते हो? At what time do you wake up? At what time do you wake up? तुम कितने बजे जागते हो? At what time will you go? At what time will you go? तुम कितने बजे जाओगे? This time. This time का मतलब होता है इस बार. This time इस बार. Don't lie this time. Don't lie this time. इस बार झूठ मत बोलो. I'm speaking truth this time. I'm speaking truth this time. इस बार मैं सच बोल रहा हूँ. Forgive me this time. Forgive me this time. इस बार मुझे माफ़ करो. Waste. Waste का मतलब होता है ज़ाया करना. Don't waste everything. Don't waste everything. सब कुछ ज़ाया मत करो. Don't waste money. Don't waste money. पैसे ज़ाया मत करो. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. वक्त ज़ाया मत करो. By mistake. By mistake का मतलब होता है गलती से. It happened by mistake. It happened by mistake. ऐसा गलती से हुआ. I left the door open by mistake. I left the door open by mistake. मैंने गलती से दरवाज़ा खुला छोड़ दिया. I pushed you by mistake. I pushed you by mistake. मैंने गलती से तुम्हें धक्का दिया.